Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you guys the simplest method on how to optimize your homepage SEO on WordPress. It's very simple. To optimize your WordPress homepage SEO, I'm going to put you through how to do that in this video. Then I'll advise you to watch this video to the end. This is live streaming. If you have any single question that you are fixing towards SEO, backlink, local business optimization, the live chat is available, so I can be able to continue teaching you guys how to optimize your WordPress SEO. So you can be able to drop your question, then I'll get back to you and reply you, since this is a live video. Now, to optimize your WordPress SEO, there is one thing I want to show you in my WordPress dashboard, how I optimize one of my clients' websites. So to optimize your WordPress SEO, there is some few things I want to point out for you to optimize in 2021, so you can start getting traffic and clicks to your website, so you can start making some sales. Now, to optimize your WordPress SEO, there are some things I'm going to show you here. The first thing you need to consider in terms of optimizing your WordPress SEO is your category. Your category are those pages you tag your post. These are categories. Let's say I have a category of album. Let's edit it. Let me click edit. If you have a category for album, I would advise you to describe what album is this. Like, for example, you're going to describe that this page, this category is going to offer you latest zip album download for foreign music. This is just a very simple way to optimize your homepage SEO in terms of WordPress optimization. Remember, if you have any question, you can ask me below the live chat, so I can be able to get back to you and reply you back. And if you have anything that is bothering you within SEO, leave a comment so I can be able to also put you through in this live video. Now, what you need to do now, let's say you have a category album, you need to describe what this page is all about. For example, you will say, you write something in description like this: this page presents latest foreign album and music or song, anyone. Now, your category is meant to describe. If you have a category for shoes, you are meant to describe this page present. Will give you something like, maybe you have to describe the page, which is the category you are going to write. This page will offer you the tips on how to know the original shoes, both for male and female, just for example purpose. So your category should have a description, and your category should have the general keyword they are targeting. This is very important in terms of on-page optimization. If you check very well, this is the focus keyword, which is album. And if you are using premium SEO tools, like for example all these Rank Mass or Yoast Premium, they can be able to give you opportunity to mention multiple keyword phrase in your category. So I would advise you, when you have a category for shoes, try to describe that category, that this category is going to give or offer cheapest shoe for both female and male. This is very important. The next optimization I will show you now is to optimize your banner indexer. This is very important. Most bloggers don't know this, but I'm going to show you on how to optimize your website to start indexing very fast. There's what they call pinning indexer, which is not just plugin, but it's very simple, it's very common, many people don't know about this, why some know about this. Okay, now you have to go to settings and go to writing. Once you go to writing, you scroll down. If you scroll down, you're going to see update service. This place now, WordPress comes with one pinning server. This one pinning server is the only thing that is helping your website with the authority of your website to send signal to Google. But in this case, this pinning indexer is more than 30 service you can add here. So you can help up include something like it's going to help up to fast your indexing when your sites have a good authority in terms of signals. So in this case now, WordPress pinning indexer, which is this is, see what the writer said, when you publish a new post, WordPress automatically notify the following site updating service to see the update. Once you publish every content, this particular one pinning server is going to send pinning server signal to some search engine, which is, this is one. And if you have a large content, I don't think this one is going to work pretty very fine. It's not going to work 100% fine. In that case, I'm going to show you where to get multiple pinning server service that is going to be sending signal. Even when one sends signal, the other one will send signal. If 20 pinning server send signal to all search engine, both Google, they are going to crawl your content very fast. What you need to do is just to click this update server. So WordPress present list out the few pinning server here, which is this ones. You just have to copy it. Okay, copy it, scroll down, copy it, or okay, once you copy it, you go to here and update your pinning service. So in this case is more than 2 now, and in some cases some pinning server is 20. You can even search for more pinning server for WordPress, so you can be able to paste it here, so you can be able to help you to send signal. Once you update a new content, it will help in sending signal to the whole searching engine, and Google will pick your content very fast. Okay, now you click save. Okay, that's all. Now again, I'm going to show you one method again on how to optimize your category by removing the word category from your website. WordPress website is very important. Let me check to show you something. I've removed the word category from my website, which is very important. Okay, I've not seen any question. I'm waiting for you guys to drop your question, and if you have any question concerning on-page optimization, I cannot see any question, please drop questions so we can be able to interrupt and for you to learn a new method on how to optimize your WordPress SEO. Okay, for instance, the next thing we need to work on is optimizing our category by removing the word category in our URL. There are some plugins that do that, and I think I have the plugin, so I'm going to show you the plugin now. They call it no category base. This is the plugin. So I would advise you to install this plugin. It's automatically, once you install this plugin, is going to remove the word category from your blog URL. Okay, from your your category page URL. So it's going to be your website .com/ foreign song or album, zip album. So it's not going to be your website.com/ category. No, the word category have to be out from there. So avoid, there is some things I want to show you again in terms of optimization. Avoid using your main keyword, like your main keyword in your home page description. Okay, is very wrong. So your home page will not outrank your internal pages. These are things you need to understand. I'm waiting for you guys to join. I'm only seeing one person online. and I want you guys to join this live streaming so we can learn more about SEO and everything concerning homepage optimization in WordPress. So now what you need to do in terms of optimizing your category, avoid using your keywords. Like if you have something in category like a foreign song in your category, try to make sure that you don't use it in your description. In most cases, if you are using it for your description, make sure that your internal pages will receive more link juice than your home page. But if you have already done the mistake by building multiple backlinks to the pages, like pointing backlinks to your home page, avoid using your keywords, as in avoid spamming with your keywords. When I mean spamming, I think I have a site to show up for this spamming when it comes to spamming. Okay, I have a website I want to show you guys that spam. Let me check. And some site is facing this issue of jams. Okay, this website spam is category is description with is what keyword, and in some cases if you search some song from this site, you find out that the home page attract the internal pages, which is some of the blog posts. This home page attract it because the main keyword is targeting is inside the description, which is very bad SEO. I will not advise you to do such thing in terms of optimizing your home page description. So avoid spamming keyword that you know you're going to use in your internal pages in your description home page. Now I'm waiting for you guys for question. I think I'm not getting any response from you guys, and I wish to get response. I would like to get response from you guys so I can be able to give you guys some few tips on how to work on this, because if I'm not seeing anybody online asking me question, I don't think I'm going to bring more steps or strategies that you need to implement. But since I'm not seeing anyone online, and let me wait for some more time to wait for you guys, you can ask question, please. The chat live chat is available for you to ask questions, so ask me questions so we can be able to work on this. Then I can be able to bring out some facts you need to understand about SEO. Now the next thing we need to do after optimizing your homepage category, category, you optimize what? Your description. So remember, don't spam your main keyword inside your homepage description. So in some cases, the reason why I'm saying this, so that your homepage will not be outranking your internal page. So the next thing again is to work on your site speed. Okay, your site speed is very important. Okay, and again I'm going to show you what I mean by site speed, but in that case I'm going to show you the important thing you need to do in each of your new blog. If you create a new blog, you have 100 content, make sure that you have each 50% of the content have internal page linking to some of your content. What I mean by that, let me edit one of my blog posts here, which is my texting website, and I'm waiting for your questions to come in. Let's say you have 100 content, make sure that some of the content will link to some of the other content. Let me search. Sorry. So it's important to link to some of the content within your site. It's called internal linking. Internal linking is going to help in terms of boosting your link juice. When you have a lot of link in your homepage pointing at your homepage, and you are publishing content and doing some internal linking, or you have internal linking in this particular blog post. So if you build backlink to this blog URL, the link juice that is going to come to this blog URL is going to separate down to the internal pages and the outgoing links. So it's very important to have to link your old content, your new content to old content, and you just do exchange of link within your blog post, within your home page. If you are linking, you try and link your old content together with the new content. So these are the ways to exchange backlink internal within your site. So whenever you are doing anything in terms of on-page SEO, consider doing internal linking. It's going to help in terms of your ranking. So I'm waiting for questions, and I've been waiting for a lot of questions, for people to ask me questions, because it's very important that you guys need to ask me questions so I can be able to bring out some strategies, or to know your challenges you are facing in terms of ranking or SEO optimization. So since I'm not getting any response yet from you guys, and I think I need to end this video. In my next video, I will give you guys the notice that I'm going to come live. This one I just did is just like I want to engage you guys, to tell you that I've really started my live video every day, but not just every day. Every Wednesday I'll be doing live video on this channel to help beginners to rank their website. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day.